Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Twinklez, and in today's vlog I'll be installing a wig. I might do my lashes too, but I'm not sure as yet. So guys, it's December 31st and you know tomorrow is New Year's Day, and I'm not plan to stay at home because me want to go enjoy myself. So me I fix up myself because the new year not gonna catch me looking like this. Okay? So your girl, I go install a lash and I go install a wig. So you know, so the girl I come out for the New Year's. Guys, me didn't know that we get a turn on to no, but you know, do not laugh at me. Long time I install a wig and I don't remember how to do certain things. I did braid my hair from yesterday and tie down the front so it can get extremely flat. I don't have a wig cap. I had some wig caps, you know, I have 4 or 5 wig caps, but I can't find them. I don't know where I put them, and I don't have any, and I'm not going to buy any. So I'm just going to install it on my hair because you know this is not a long install, it's just for a few days. So yeah, so basically that's what's happening in this video. Guys, as me say now, I don't remember of install wig, so just bear with me and such. So I'm gonna show you the products that I'm gonna use. So I have this ghost bond glue. Me not like it. All it do is nasty up your head. I don't like it. I have this got to be glue. And I have this Ebin Wonder Lace Bond. I have this Ebin spray and hair wax, and I have this Pump It Up spritz. I have mousse. And this is the alcohol to clean up around the edges. So yeah, I have makeup, you know. I have makeup to go on the lace. And I also have my these, my flat iron, my blow dryer, and my hot comb. Yeah, so this I got this from Shein, by the way. Have this from I was going to high school. My auntie got this for me, and I have this from I was small. So yeah, so guys, that's basically what we're doing in this video. So this is a straight hair. I don't know why it looks so curly. I'm gonna wash it, but I don't know, it's looking tacky right now. So maybe after we install it will get pretty and such. It's a 16-inch straight hair. So yeah, I don't like where it look. I hope this is not an epic fail. You see, if you see this video, that means it turned out good. You see, if you see that video, nothing no going for the wig, my love. Yeah, so anyways, stay tuned. Oh, look how flat that is. Hey, that flat in a man. I'm not ask Christ. But anyways, I'm gonna add some makeup to the wig. The lace, a matter of fact. It never washed so good, you know. I have like a glue on the same way. But me just did give up on the washing and just could have I have like a glue same way. Who's gonna know? Oh wait, I'm not gonna know. I'm not gonna know, can I see this? But who else gonna know? How will they know? Anyways. There's a makeup from me, man. You see, look. Remember when black opal was a thing? Yeah, that is it, black opal right there. From me, born me have this black opal foundation, yeah, my love. Alright, so let's add some makeup to the lace. I don't know if I'm my color this, I'm just add something, so don't come for me. I don't know if I'm my color, I don't know my color. Me just buy makeup when me ready, me don't look pan color. Just wanna try and not come for me. I'm just do me things right, okay? I didn't want to sit down and do this now, but I can't bother. So I'm just do it in the bathroom. I don't know if the lighting alright, but I'm just do it in here, so. I wonder if this too red or too dark or what. Beside dark is foundation I have. I'm currently black right now, so it will work with. I wonder if I can spray some of the ebony spray on it so it don't move. Me want to try too much things to come spoil my wig. One time over wear the wig, you know guys, last year, September 2023. Yeah, that was the only time I wore this wig, and yeah, I feel like I wear it for the New Year's. Cause you know me is not really a wig girly or a hair type of girly. I like my natural hair. I just can't bother with it sometimes. But I still love my hair. So yeah, we'll try. This is how it's looking. I don't know if I add too much or I want it one more or what. I want to think. I can't wait for when I start learning how to do hair at school. Because remember, we start doing nails first and I can't wait. The ear part, like, I literally can't wait. So this is how it's looking. I don't know if it look tacky or it look, I don't know. But it will work with. I should have plugged in the something then. I keep going and eat up because I want it fit, you know. So I'm going to plug it in and I keep going and eat up. Oh Lord. I should have did plug it in and I keep going and eat up. Because, oh, I'll wait for this to eat up. I want it for something there. I want it to push back the ear, smooth out the ear and make it neat and such. Guys, me I want them to use this. I use this. Come on, I use this now and you wipe up my head, you know. You see how me get you so flat and nice. You know what? I use this. I'm not using this because this is like the devil's child. I mean, I use it. But anyways, stay tuned.
I feel, and I done been this way for some years. I don't really get along with my peers. Everything that they do to me is weird. So, in the world full of weirdos, fools and scrubs, tell me what is it you're willing to do for love? You know it's true that the dating pool is fucked. Ain't nobody out here, baby, it's just and I know, when I know, working hard when I see you. And I feel like I love you more. Did you know, on the shoulder if you need one. What I feel, keep it real, what's the pill? I'ma break your back. I'ma break your back. I'ma break your I feel like I know, do you know, I'ma show you more. Did you know when I know, I feel like I know, do you know, I'ma show you more. Somewhere we can be alone. I remember being 21 when my life had just begun. 22, many things to see in you. 23, looking forward to 24. Just me, it ain't no love no more. I'ma break your back. 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 Same old game. I know. I feel like I know, do you know, I'ma show you more. Did you know when I know when I know when I know? I feel like I know. Do you know? Did you know? I'ma show you more.
Get back. I'm breaking your back. Get back. I'm breaking your back.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I gave you what you needing. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is of the essence. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say I'm eating mess of my mind, and I'm eating make you feel my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be lie. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you quiet, yeah, you can leave. I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. After the morning, my one put on from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need.
I whip my hand back and forth. I whip my hand back and forth. Okay, anyways, the crazy session is over. I think I'm going to do a side part. It fit me. So let's see which side to put it on. What am I doing the comb? But yes, so. Oh, but yes, so. Let's do it on this side. Fit me also on the side. Alright, so I'm gonna take out the baby here. Then I just did want to see if side part to fit me over there. So think we have some baby hair from the time when we did. Whoa, murder.
I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, where's me out of fear? You find me ugly and one day you disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Boy's a liar. Boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy.
Shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Boy's a liar. Boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Boy's a liar. Boy's a liar.
So guys, this is how it's looking now. Me I go flat it out and see. I'm not flat it out as yet, so I'm gonna flat it out now. But it don't look bad. I'm gonna flat it out as yet. So I'm gonna flat it out now and get back to now.
Like a glance from the past, you're in the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince and I'm fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I'm on the deep end. You study more and with my heart. You think the everything's hard. Lately I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. And we know all the time. I can fuck me up, don't let me down.
So guys, this is how the hair turned out. I wanna think. My uncle that or what? I think that makeup is not really my color, you know, but it have to work. How bouncy that is. Good quality, you know. I see my angle again, guys. What I think, I just see baby ear them, not baby earring, but otherwise it's okay. It look like I want ear just to do it still bad to bad. If you do the baby ear them now too baby earring. But it don't look bad, my love. So guys, this is the end of the video. Do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave your feedback down below on how I did my hair, and tell me when I go wrong or when I go right. Yeah, just leave your little feedback down below. Thank you for watching, and this is the end of the video. Bye. It fit me, you know? Bad so bad it fit me. I wonder if I do my lashes now or what. Or maybe I'm just gonna see me pop out with some lashes, cause girl, you look fine. Anyways guys, bye.